Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today, we are doing a review on this item right here. So this is the metallic gold airbrush food coloring by Chef Master. I'm making a gold drip cake today, so this is a perfect time for me to use this product right here. So let's get on to the video.
Let's start off with the packaging. The packaging looks really good, it's nice and clean, and it's 631 pesos by the way. So I'll be turning it here so that you can see the nutrition facts and also what it is made out of. It is recommended that you shake it first before using, as the shimmer and the liquid tends to separate after a while. This is sealed, so I'm going to be opening it right now for you guys. This is the inside part. If you can see, it is really gold. I think this is what they call a Pharaoh's gold, if I'm not mistaken. And now I'll be closing it and I'm going to be sorting it out for you so that you can see how the product really looks like. As you can see, it is a bit watery, but the gold is really nice. You can see some flexes of shimmer coming out of there. To try out this food coloring, I am making a drip cake. I'm making a gold drip cake for this cake order. So I have a recipe for my drip for the drip cake in my ganache video. I'll put the link below in the description box so you guys can check it out later. And just make some nice thick drips on your cold cake and then refrigerate your cake for around, I would say around 20 minutes or until the drip has set. After it has set, it is now ready to be decorated. You can now use your gold shimmer and paint it on. It is now the moment of truth. I will be using the product on the drip cake directly. So I'm just painting it on at the tops first and then I'll be cleaning it out later. Make sure to do this very carefully. And here I'm painting on the cake. As you can see, the gold is nicely shining through and yeah, it's not dripping all over the place, but maybe it could use a coat or two more. So right now I'm cleaning out the edges. I'm just making the cake a little bit nicer. So just a small tip on cake decorating. Don't be too OC. When you see those little imperfections on your cake, you can always fix those later. The important thing is to give your cake a nice look and check what needs improvement on. So like this part here, I'm spot checking and I'm checking on the parts that need a little extra love. So I'm putting more gold food coloring there and I'm just brushing everything out properly. I'm putting a second layer on those that I think need a second layer too. You can see here with the number 26 that you can still use this with the fondant. So all you have to do is brush it out too and let it dry. That simple. And earlier I've made this number 26 that I have brushed on with some gold. And then I just put a little bit of silver glitter to differentiate the number 26 from the gold drip. And as accent, I'm putting in this nice pink fondant flower and the name of our celebrant, Hyra. And I'm just putting on this happy birthday standee. And I'm putting in some silver beads and some homemade sprinkles on the side. Honestly, what I usually do is put some luster powder, some gold luster powder, and a bit of vodka, and that's what I use to paint on to my gold drip or to my fondant. But then I decided to test this one out just to see if it is more cost effective and if it will make my life much more simple. So here is my review.
So now I'm done with the drip cake and just my thoughts on this item. For 631 pesos, you're getting a bang for your buck. This is a lot of product. It's also quite easy to use. You just pour it in and that's it. My only concern is the coloring. It is a gold. It is definitely a gold. It's like Pharaoh's gold or something like that. But it's not the gold that I was hoping for. I want like a deeper toned gold. So maybe I'll just try out another color or another shade of gold. But other than that, it's a pretty good product and I suggest all bakers to buy this one. You can use it for your airbrush, you can use it for your fondants, your drip cakes, anything at all. So thank you guys for watching and I hope you can watch my next video. See you soon. Bye!